there are a couple of different co-op modes available in Madden NFL 26. So if you wish to play couch co-op, then you can go to quick play over here and you can go to play now. And if you have, of course, more than one controller that you can play with, then you should be able to choose sides and also choose teams, and you can play with your friend if they come over. Besides that, let's actually go back. Besides that, if you want to actually play online co-op, then it is also possible. You just have to choose online H to H instead, which is online head to head. And it is pretty similar, but this just is online, so you can invite your friend to play a simple match. There is also the franchise mode, which can be played online as a online multiplayer mode. So if we go over here to enter the franchise, over here we can create a new league, and we can, as you can see, play online solo or multiplayer. So you should also be able to invite your friends to your franchise, and you can play a franchise together. And last but not least, we also have, of course, the Ultimate Team, where we can also play a simple online match against our friend. So let's wait for the menu. There we go. Let's open the Ultimate Team. Let's enter it. And if you have created your Ultimate Team, if you made some progress and you want to play a match with your team against your friend, then of course it is also possible to do so. You just have to go to play a friend over here in the play section, and you should be able to create a simple match, and you can play against your friend over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.